Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel where we have another exciting project to talk about, and it's Red Panda Squad. This is more of an OG project on Solana at this point. I obviously have featured it previously on the channel in like 3 different videos, I think. I did a full video on it before their mint. I featured it in one of my top 5 mints of the week and another video, I think. So I was really bullish on this project before mint, and the Red Panda Squad team reached out to me and asked me to do an update video, and I was like, sure, let's do it, because obviously I have been following this project for a long time, like way before their mint, and I have seen that they have some really exciting stuff going on. So in this video we're basically gonna cover all of that, and we're gonna cover what has happened since their launch until now. So if you find that interesting and want to see more content like this on the channel, please show some support as always by smashing that like button and subscribing down below to the channel. Also tell me down in the comment section which specific projects you want me to cover going forward on this channel. And also before we jump into it, make sure to follow me on Twitter, because Twitter is basically where I cover all of my recent purchases and thoughts on different projects and mints happening, stuff like that. And I'm just able to do it way quicker on Twitter than I am on YouTube. So with that said, Red Panda Squad, obviously a great project. I have loved these guys' art for so long, since the first time I saw it basically. That's why I did so many videos on it previously too. Obviously their art is just so cool and so unique. And if you don't know anything about this project, it's basically 10,000 NFTs of these red pandas living on the Solana blockchain. They're currently on Solana art, and the floor is currently 2.88 Solana, and this project has fluctuated a lot. Like right after their mint price was 2.5 Solana, and like right after their launch, I think they went all the way down to like 1.5 Solana, something like that, which unfortunately is pretty normal in this state of the market. Like for example, the Scary Shark launch, which was yesterday when I'm recording this video. I mean, it's just crazy. Obviously their launch was not the best, they had a lot of issues, but still, today, the day after the launch, there's over 4,000 listed items out of 8,888 supply, which means basically 50% of everyone who minted it are selling it the day after, or even the same day as the mint. Like, what's even the point of minting and selling it the day after for a loss? Like, it's just so stupid. Basically the same thing happened to Red Panda Squad, but they have fought their way back to a great price. They're currently sitting above minting price, which is obviously super cool to see. I think the project went all the way up to like 4 or 4.5 Solana floor at their peak, and they have now stabilized at 2.88 or 2.9 Solana, and it didn't even correct that much. We have obviously seen a decline in a lot of bigger projects on Solana recently, but Red Panda Squad actually held their price really good. And here's basically their website, hand-drawn from scratch by a truly skilled artist, JK. There will only exist a maximum of 10,000 algorithmically generated unique, cute red panda NFTs in the space, ever. And they're currently on Solana and Magic Eden, of course. I'm not going to cover everything because this project has already launched, so I'm basically going to focus on the future of this project. But basically here is their roadmap. All of this green check marks is stuff that has already happened. So coming in the future, they have some Red Panda Squad merch, and they actually just released the video of some street art panda creation in London with Graffiti Kings. I will show that video right now. So that's just really cool. They actually worked with Graffiti Kings to make this epic art in London. I think it looks super cool. They're also doing an exclusive Halloween airdrop, which is really cool. If we head over to their Discord, you can basically see it right here. Halloween Red Panda Squad sneak peek number 2. Collect the following traits to have a chance of getting an ultra rare red panda from our upcoming Halloween collection. So basically, if you have any Red Panda Squad NFTs with these traits, a dagger, skull shirt, graveyard background, night sky background, skeleton body, or zombie body, you have a chance of being airdropped one of these Halloween NFTs, and I think they look super cool. Look at this guy, and here is their second sneak peek. I think these look really cool, and I'm guessing that the prices of these traits have exploded after they announced this. And they're also launching their Panda board top holder benefits. Basically, the top 3 holders get to design a Generation 0 special red panda together with our in-house artist JK after being within the top 3 for 6+ weeks. So basically, the 3 biggest holders get a Generation 0 special NFT. That's super cool. And then they also have benefits for top 10 holders, top 25 holders, and top 50 holders, as well as top 100 holders. And that's really cool of them that they actually give special benefits for their top holders, because obviously the top holders of projects like this definitely deserve some special treatment. Obviously, all the links to this project will be down in the description, so you can check it out yourself. And in addition to their Panda board with benefits for their top holders and the Halloween airdrop, they also have a bunch more great stuff coming in the future. As you can see, their roadmap is so huge, they have a lot of plans. For example, a Red Panda Squad DAO, private Red Panda Squad website for Red Panda NFT holders with unique events, fun games, and more. Development of the Red Panda Squad game, where we enter the metaverse and can use our red pandas to play and earn. Special airdrops for holders as puzzle pieces of animated series. Launch of our own marketplace for red pandas with 100% fee redistribution to the Red Panda DAO. So they for sure have a lot of cool plans, and if they manage to deliver on all of this, which I think they easily will, because this team has done a lot of great stuff already, I think this project still is a great buy. Obviously not financial advice, do your own research and invest at your own risk. And just overall, the art is just so cute and adorable, so I really still think this project has a lot of potential. And obviously they do have 23,000 followers on Twitter, which obviously is a lot, and in their Discord they have over 40,000 members, so just insane numbers. They have a massive community. Let me know what you think about this project down in the comment section. Do you like it or not? Do you own it or not? And if you enjoyed this video, as always, smash that like and subscribe down below. For more content like this, check out Red Panda Squad down in the description. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. I will also be launching my own NFT collection this year called Blissful Bull, so if you want more info on that, you can check that out with a link down in the description as well. Basically, the main features is 800 supply, so really limited. The community will vote for the mint price, so it will probably be really cheap. Obviously, the community decides. I already have multiple airdrops planned for the future, as well as 50% or more of royalties going back to the holders. So if that sounds interesting, just give Blissful Bulls a follow, join the Discord for more information. And with that said, I hope you have a great day. I will see you guys later. Peace.